Nehru. I am studying in 7th standard. Today I am giving speech about Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar was the great leader of the India. He was born on 14 April 1891 at Mahav in Madhya Pradesh. His full name was Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar and his father name was Ramji Maloji Sabkar and mother name was Bhimabai Sabkar. He was due to suffer untouchable. He always fight for equality of untouchable. He was the great in economics, social reforms and a political. He was the first law minister in independent India Constitution. On 29 August he was appointed chairman. Departing committee. He was appointed to write assemble in constitution. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar appointed a party is called as Independent Labour Party. We celebrate his birth anniversary every year as Ambedkar Jayanti. He died on 6 December 1956. He get award Bharat Ratna in 1990. He will be memorable in our heart. Thank you for all my teachers to give me this opportunity. Once again, happy Ambedkar Jayanti to all my friends. Thank you.
वेरी गुड सुनाली।
ईमान न होता, आज कोई इस देश में किसी का मेहमान न होता। आज कोई इस देश में किसी का मेहमान न होता। नहीं मिल पाती खुशियां हमें इस वतन में, नहीं मिल पाती खुशियां हमें इस वतन में, अगर इस देश का संविधान बाबा साहेब ने लिखा न होता, अगर इस देश का संविधान बाबा साहेब ने लिखा न होता। गुड मॉर्निंग, माय नेम इज सुंदर गजाम चौधरी. I study in standard 9. Today I am going to deliver speech on Ambedkar Jayanti. First of all, I wish you a happy Ambedkar Jayanti. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar was born on April 14, 1891. His father's name was Ramji Maloji Sabkar. His wife's name was Bhimabai Sabkar, daughter of Lakshman Murbalkar. They was of Marathi background from the town of Mandalgarh Taluka in Ratnagiri district of modern day Maharashtra. In 1857, Ambedkar's family moved to Mumbai, where the untouchable to enroll at Elphinstone High School. When Ambedkar was 15 years old, he married a 9-year-old girl, Ramabai. Since his school days, he realized as intense shock. Dr. Ambedkar graduated from Bombay University in 1912 with BA in Economics and Political Science. He was posthumously awarded India's highest civilian Bharat Ratna in 1990. After independence, Dr. Ambedkar became the first law minister under the Congress government and they were #1 scholar in the world. In 1908, young Bhimrao passed the matriculation examination from the Bombay University with flying colors. 4 years later, he studied economics and political science from Bombay University and got a job in Baroda. Around the same time, his father passed away. Dr. Ambedkar was a leading activist and social reformer who gave his life working on the upliftments of the Dalits and socially the backward class of India. Dr. Ambedkar is also known as the father of Indian Constitution. On 29 August 1947, the Constituent Assembly set up a drafting committee on 6 December 1956. The first law minister and the chief architect, the Constitution Assembly, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, passed away in Delhi. I would end my speech by saying few slogans. If you believe in living a respectable life, you believe in self-help, which is the best help. I would end my speech here. And I am very grateful to my teachers to give me this wonderful opportunity to represent my thoughts about Ambedkar Jayanti. Thank you.
Very good, Sundar.
teachers and my dearest students. Today we are going to celebrate the birth anniversary of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. His full name was Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar. He was born on 14th April 1891 in Mahu, Madhya Pradesh. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar is known as the father of Indian Constitution and architect of Indian Constitution. On 29th August 1947, the Constituent Assembly set up a drafting committee. This drafting committee was headed by Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. The chairman of that committee, he played vital role in the drafting and framing of the Constitution, which took 2 years, 11 months and 90 days to draft the Indian Constitution. It was officially adopted 26 January 1950. What is meant by Constitution? A Constitution is a set of fundamental rules that determine how country and India is run, how country or state is run. People talk about him, mercy of downtrodden. It's truly multi-talented personality. He was economic training. He was an anthropologist. He was sociologist. He was jurist, and he was the first law minister. Famous quote of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar: "I like the religion that teaches liberty, equality, and fraternity." Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar always believed in equality. डॉक्टर बाबा साहेब अम्बेडकर कहते हैं, मुझे वह धर्म पसंद है, मुझे वह धर्म पसंद है जो स्वतंत्रता, समानता और बंधुत्व सिखाता है. His vision of social changes and reclamation of human personality as universal. During his lifetime, he made many efforts and he used various strategies and methods to create a society which is based on the values of equality, liberty, and fraternity. The real purpose of celebrating this great occasion to implement and follow his teachings in our life. He was liberal-minded leader with ideas of democracy, freedom of thoughts and expressions. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar embraced Buddhism to again the basic rights and self-respect needed. He was totally against the inequality of human beings and the ideology of Hinduism. He was born in Hindu religion. He decided to embrace Buddhism and he did it in 1956. Why Buddhism? From the all religions, why only Buddhism? Buddhism because Buddha's teachings are based under values of morality and ethics. Caste determination. Buddha's teaching as modern, rational, contemporary. Following Babasaheb Ambedkar, likes of his followers, they embrace Buddhism and they are living a life full of self-respect and dignity. Finally, I would like to conclude by a Sikh. Cultivation of mind is the ultimate aim of human existence. Jai Bhim, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
The people of India, having solemnly resolved, to constitute India, into a sovereign, socially secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thoughts, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality equality of status, and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, showing the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution. Jai Hind. This Satyagraha is not only for water but also for the basic human rights. Thank you.
I stand here today to express my heartfelt thank you to all those who have made this event possible. On the occasion of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Jayanti, I want to express my thank you to everyone who joined us. Now, I declare that with the permission of Madam, this program is over.